Hello, everybody. My name is Fedor Kozlov. You on my YouTube channel. We talk about DCFS and everything that is connected with the DCFS. DCFS is kind of hot topic these days for the many reasons. You see them on the news. You can read about them in the newspapers. But I'm a lawyer, so I got to talk about legal procedures, what it involves, and the steps that you should take. The one of the things that people ask me a lot of times, what is concurrent jurisdiction? So we have to ask ourselves the question, when DCFS is called. DCFS is called for a number of reasons, and they pretty much they want to protect the child from something, from a wrongdoing by parents or anybody else in the world. So if you're going through a divorce, or let's say a family going through a divorce, and divorce is always emotional, and people get upset. People might drink. People might fight, break stuff. And if something like that happens, it's called domestic violence. And if you're in domestic violence situation, it's usually a criminal case, or it leads to a criminal case. And as a part of it, police can call DCFS. Actually, police must call DCFS because this is one of the organizations that absolutely must call DCFS. In one of our previous conversations, I told you that it's nurses, police, and schools, teachers who must call DCFS if they even think that something wrong happened to the child, just to go and investigate. Here's the issue with the domestic violence. If you go to a criminal court, and remember, you have only 90 days, 90, to file an appeal. If you work with kids and if you're a nurse, you might ask for expedited procedure and file within 60 days, but because otherwise you might lose your job. But you have to dismiss your criminal case first, and that is called concurrent jurisdiction. If you have a criminal case pending, if you file your DCFS appeal will be dismissed. Remember, criminal case, criminal case, the burden of proof beyond reasonable doubt, DCFS, preponderance of the evidence. So in a criminal case, that case has to be dismissed. If you pled guilty in a criminal case, you make your DCFS case very difficult to win, and most likely won't. Most likely, the case, the indication will stay for the next 5 years on your record. But the DCFS administrative law judge will not review your case until the criminal case is pending. You have to resolve your criminal case first. That's where confusion comes a lot, because criminal cases, they involve significant discovery, things like that. But make sure you dismiss criminal case before you proceed with DCFS. If you have questions, call me 847-241-1299. Thank you.